The BMW 3 Series is the epitome of driving pleasure and the benchmark for sporting prowess in the premium midsize segment. With more than 45 years of global success under its belt, the 3 Series also represents the core of the BMW brand. And today, we are going to talk about new BMW 3 Series 2023. Hi, with a design refresh for the exterior, an extensively modernized premium ambience for the cabin, and the latest advances in the areas of digitalization, control operation, and equipment, the new BMW 3 Series sedan and new BMW 3 Series Touring have all the tools necessary to write another chapter in their worldwide success story. Since the original BMW 3 Series went on sale in 1975, more than 16 million units of this model range have been sold across its generations. And over 1.1 million customers have so far plumped for the generation of the BMW 3 Series sedan and BMW 3 Series Touring available since 2019 alone. This means demand has been stronger for this model generation in the first 3 years of its life than for any of the preceding 3 Series generations over the same time period. Among other signature features of the BMW 3 Series are the wide range of drive systems available and an exceptionally fine balance struck between driving pleasure and fuel economy. The new BMW 3 Series sedan can be ordered in 3 plug-in hybrid variants, and the new BMW 3 Series Touring in a choice of 4, added to which 4 petrol and 4 diesel engines with 4 or 6 cylinders are offered for both the sedan and Touring. At the head of the respective lineups are 2 BMW performance models from BMW M GmbH with a particularly sharp sporting edge, all of which means the BMW 3 Series can be ordered with outputs from 150 HP to 374 HP. BMW's drive comes as standard on the range-topping models, and intelligent all-wheel drive is also available as an option for 2 petrol variant, 2 diesels, and plug-in hybrid models. Detailed exterior design upgrades ensure that the character of the new BMW 3 Series and its emphasis on driving pleasure now shine through even more clearly. The front and rear apron of both the 4-door model, the Sport sedan, to use its more commonly used description, and the dynamically excellent Touring now have an extremely striking design as standard. The characteristic BMW kidney grille and twin circular headlights have also been meticulously redesigned. The focus on dynamism and modernity woven into the exterior design of the BMW 3 Series is also reflected in the restructured model range. The boldly sporty appearance of the new BMW 3 Series is apparent even in standard specification. This stylistic dynamism can be ramped up even further with the optional M Sport package, while the M Sport Package Pro is available for the first time. With its clearly structured surfaces, dynamic lines, and large air intakes, the front apron adds to the sporty appearance of the new BMW 3 Series sedan and BMW 3 Series Touring. The redesigned headlights and kidney grille also give the car strong visual presence. The standard full LED headlights are now much slimmer, with clear contours, and daytime driving lights arranged in an inverted L shape to create a harmonious and modern look. The outer daytime driving light elements also serve as turn indicators. Adaptive LED headlights are available as an option and are identifiable by the blue strip around the daytime driving light elements and a matching blue accent strip on the upper edge of the glass cover. Blue light effects below the headlight units also give the front end a striking and high-class appearance in the hours of darkness. The adaptive LED headlights range of functions includes the cornering light and non-dazzling matrix high beam, as well as dynamic headlight range control and variable light distribution. The latter includes the urban lights, with their particularly broad illumination of the roadside. The interior of the new BMW 3 Series sedan and new BMW 3 Series Touring has been treated to a comprehensive update. The new interpretation of the brand-typical driver focus is embodied by the large BMW curved display. This cutting-edge cockpit design has progressive digitalicity at its heart and enables the number of buttons and controls to be significantly reduced in favor of touch and voice control, offering generous amounts of space, modern functionality, a high level of acoustic comfort, high-quality materials displaying detailed workmanship, and advanced digital services. The new BMW 3 Series presents a convincing blend of inimitable driving pleasure and compromise-free premium quality both in everyday use and on longer trips away. The expanded range of standard equipment and a newly structured options list increase comfort levels and individuality as required. The standard BMW curved display exudes quality and modernity with its frameless glass surfaces angled slightly towards the driver. A 12.3-inch information display behind the steering wheel and a control display with a screen diagonal of 14.9 inches merged together into a single fully digital and high-resolution unit. The central air vents positioned below the control display are now slimmer and more modern in design. 3-zone automatic climate control is part of standard specification in the new BMW 3 Series sedan and new BMW 3 Series Touring. The onboard climate can be adjusted using voice or touch control on the control display. The controls for setting the temperature on the driver's and front passenger side are shown permanently. The progressive design of the cockpit is accompanied by a larger surface for the interior trim strip integrated into the instrument panel. A comprehensive round of updates for BMW's twin-power turbo technology has brought improvements in the power delivery of the most powerful of the 3 4-cylinder petrol engines available for the new BMW 3 Series. These have an exhaust manifold integrated into the cylinder head and an upgraded turbocharger system. This design enables extremely effective exhaust gas cooling. The latest version of the 2.0-liter engine is fitted in the BMW 330i sedan, BMW 330i's drive sedan, BMW 330i Touring, and BMW 330i's drive Touring models. It develops maximum output of 245 HP between 4,500 and 6,500 RPM. BMW's quintessential sports sedan gets a tech-heavy makeover for 2023 that sees updated exterior styling and a dramatic new all-digital dashboard. Keen eyes will notice that this same monolithic display that stretches to thirds of the 3 Series' dashboard is the same design as what you'll find in the brand's flagship 7 Series. Wall of screens runs BMW's iDrive 8 interface and includes standard navigation, a voice assistant, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. The launch of the new BMW 3 Series sedan and new BMW 3 Series Touring around the world will get underway in July 2022. Both models will be built at BMW Group plant Munich. The BMW 3 Series sedan will be available worldwide and produced not only at the company's main factory, but also at 2 other facilities. The price for the models you can see on your screens. What do you think about new BMW 3 Series? Share with your opinion in comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to be in touch with newest cars news.